5 Best Vegetables to Clean Arteries and Prevent Heart Attacks.
Your arteries are the largest of your body's blood vessels, and they play the crucial role of delivering oxygen and nutrients to every organ, tissue, and cell. But millions of people are plagued by unhealthy arteries. Blocked arteries are also known as atherosclerosis. They are caused due to a thickening of the inside of our arteries. This thickening is a result of a fatty buildup formed inside the arteries. This buildup causes a constriction in the blood flow to and from the heart. Atherosclerosis can cause various other coronary heart diseases that may even be life-threatening. Various other diseases and external factors can cause atherosclerosis. One of the factors that have a significant influence on our arteries' health is food. What we eat may cause atherosclerosis and might even unclog our arteries. In this article, we have discussed top 5 veggies for healthy arteries and heart attack prevention that can help you unclog your blocked arteries. Eating certain vegetables can help maintain healthy arteries and prevent heart attacks by providing antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and heart-loving nutrients. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, including lettuces, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and spinach, promote thinning of arterial walls, which may have thickened due to atherosclerosis. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant, they also stabilize sugar levels and lower cholesterol, both of which help unclog arteries. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of dietary nitrates, which can help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which has been proven to promote gapped cholesterol in the body. In fact, studies show that people that consume tomatoes regularly are at a lower risk of developing various heart diseases. Tomatoes are one of nature's best sources of lycopene, a plant pigment with natural antioxidant properties. If you are looking for a natural way to clear arteries, then adding tomatoes in your diet may help. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood that provides various health benefits and nutrients. May have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is also rich in organosulfur compounds which help reduce inflammation, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Some studies have shown that garlic and garlic supplements may have positive effects on heart health by preventing cell damage. Other research shows that garlic supplements may also reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. 4. Avocados. Avocados are like a superhero duo that keeps your arteries clean and clear, preventing the buildup of dangerous plaques and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Avocados are said to reduce the risk of heart diseases. It is rich in healthy, unsaturated fats that help maintain cholesterol levels. Fatty fish, olive oil, walnuts, avocados, and many more foods we mentioned are perfectly healthy options that will help unclog your arteries from plaque buildup that happens over time. 5. Broccoli. Sulforaphane in broccoli tames the flames of chronic inflammation, protecting arteries and keeping the heart healthy. Contains fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin K. May help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with heart-healthy nutrition. In conclusion, making a lifestyle change along with the right diet can significantly better your heart health and reduce the severity of atherosclerosis. However, these dietary suggestions are by no means an alternative to proper medication and treatment. You are encouraged to eat these healthy foods, along with the treatment laid out by your doctor. Regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding tobacco are also crucial components of heart disease prevention.
Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel Miss Healthy.